Hello everyone. If you know me, we are in the Learning Star channel. We always try to create some project, but today I was thinking about something different after we create a lot of projects on the GitHub. If you go to my GitHub, you will find a lot of different projects with different things, and we have them. They are all great and you can use them. But after creating a lot of them, a thing comes to my mind. What is the use of them? If we have a lot of them, what we can do and what is the use of them for me? And after a lot of time thinking about that, I understand something. Maybe that's hard to understand or something else. But the thing that I understand is that it's how much going to help me to get a job, for example, if I want. So because of that, I'm going to try to find that how many days it will take and how many upgrades it will take to do to my resume to get a job, a remote job for programming or civil engineering. For that, I'm going to apply for jobs several times in the LinkedIn to see if I can get any job or not. And after several tries, we will understand that if it's understandable for me to get a job or not. So this is the first day. Let's start and see what we can find on the LinkedIn and what jobs we are going to try to approve. Okay, for the city, as you maybe know, I live in Iran by now, but I want to get a job remote. Because of that, it's not important. Now, you maybe suggest what jobs can I get? So it's really challenging. Because of that, we are going to use ChatGPT for that and ask him the questions, what jobs can I approve for that? And for that, I prepared something that let me call my CV, and I'm going to give it my CV, and up on that, I'm going to see what jobs I'm going to be ready to approve for that and what is going to be my professional aspects. Okay, let's get that. This is my CV. I want to copy that. If you want, I will give another video on how to create your CV, but not for now. If I want to get a remote job with this CV, which jobs should I apply for? Okay, let's see which jobs should we apply for. Best remote jobs you should apply for. Okay, remote machine learning engineering. Okay, remote data scientist, remote civil engineering, remote Python developer, remote AI assistants, remote web developer, machine learning engineer, AI engineer, data scientist. Okay, if you learn 2 extra skills below, you can target MLOps engineer, deep learning engineer, geospatial engineer, AI for climate, water engineer. If you learn Docker, Fast API, Cloud, best platform to apply for job, LinkedIn. Okay, we know that we are in the LinkedIn and we want to apply for that, but let me copy that result and have them because maybe in the future it's going to be useful. Let's have them. Here is the result of the first search. It says that let's see what is MLP engineer is. What is it? MLP is one of highest paying remote job. What is MLP? Deploys machine learning into real world system. What MLP? What skills? Programming, ML basics, ML Docker, Fast API, MLflow, and Airflow DBS. Okay, there are a lot of things. I know a little about Azure, but not a lot of them. So let's start. If I want to search in LinkedIn, what should I search for? No. Okay, a skill-based search. No, it's not the thing I want. From my resume, which jobs should I search in GitHub as a remote job? I think it's going to be better. No, GitHub, no. It's wrong. No voice chat. I create a mistake. Okay, end it in LinkedIn, not GitHub. Okay, let's search for machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineer, search. What is it doing? Oh, it's using my microphone. What is the problem? No, not Iran. Let's write remote. Okay, there is no jobs in remote. So let's start with, for example, New York. I want on the remotes. I think we can get a better companies. Okay, let's go for the experience entry level. And the date posted past month. Salary is not important for me, and the company is not important for me. Easy apply, what does it mean? I don't know what easy apply mean, but let's get it. Not salary, not company. It's okay. Okay, let's go and see if we can apply for these companies or not. AI trainer, advanced Python developer. Let's take a look at it. How I can understand I can apply for it or not. Okay, let's see. Advanced Python trainer, I am. Portugal is not just another player in the AI space. We are building the best pool of quantity human data in the world. Okay, they are developing Python to help train cutting edge AI models. If you have an institution, we'll send you a quick 10-to-1 test to assess your skill, and if successful, you're invited to join Portfolio as a domain where you get paid to train and evaluate powerful AI models. You'll train to pay $40 per hour. AI tasks, you must be prepared to complete paid tasks that are 1 hour of uninterrupted work, how many other shorter. Python developer skills, a willingness to take our skill verifications, strong attentions, a reliable and fast internet connections, and access to a computer, willing to self as your partial self willingness to self-declare, a PayPal account to revive payment from our clients, completing AI training tasks such as analyzing, editing, and writing Python. Okay, judging the performance of AI. Okay, improving cutting edge AI models. K technologies. Okay, let's apply and see how we can apply that. Okay, Iran. Next, upload resume. How I should upload a resume? Okay, let's create a resume for LinkedIn. How we can create that resume? Let's open a ChatGPT. How I say that? Okay. No. Okay. I need to copy my CV again. Change my resume to new resume that match the needing of this job. Let me copy the job. Okay, let's save that until now. Let's paste that here. Okay, let's just wait for it to change. Okay, they're all right. Okay, everything is right. I think we don't need selected course. It's a job. Do we need selected course or other things? We must be ready for that. Okay, give me the resume that I needed to send for job. Okay, I'm going to send this resume. Okay, they are right. I don't have a Linux. Does it need to have teaching? Oh, teaching experience is good to be there because I have some teaching experience. Now I'm going to create my resume. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this format because it's going to be useful here. Okay. I think it's better to be not there. Let me just add my GitHub link here. It's not going to be fun, but it's a way to get job, and we are going to go there and do the job as everyone do. This is my GitHub link. Let me copy and paste it. Okay, the summary, the core skills, the strength, language, reference, Okay, if you want, no, I'm going to delete that. It's great. Now I'm going to save that. And after saving that, I'm going to rename that. I'm going to save it as a PDF because you need to send PDF for them. And I'm going to name it. What should I name it? I don't remember if I must. Ali Aghdassi job CV. Okay, it's enough. Now we are going to have it. It's perfect. Let me just go to LinkedIn and paste it here. Let's continue. Okay. I forget my number. Okay, it's good. Now let me upload my resume. It's here in the desktop. Okay. Additional question. LinkedIn profile. What should I put here? How many projects may you have working with Python? Okay. Are you prepared to take a skill verification list of certain minutes? Yes. Are there any other programs? I have a little with Java, HTML. Others, I think. Others, MATLAB. Let's write it. It's useful sometimes. If you cannot find your current country of origin provided, put rest of the world. Let's see if we have our country or not. Let's go by rest of the world. If you select rest of world, right? I think because of my country, I'm going to reject, but it's not important. I'm going to try. Review. Please enter LinkedIn profile. It's just my name. How I gave them my LinkedIn profile. Contact info. Okay, it's good. Let me copy my LinkedIn profile, paste it here, and review. Okay, submit. We submit for one job. Let's take a look at another one. Junior AI engineer. A junior AI engineer, USA remote. That means you need to be in USA. I don't have it. We are no visa. Sponsorship is available. Okay, I don't need a visa. Let's see where it can go. Remote. Let's say 2 years of full-time engineering experience, knowledge of SDKs. I don't have knowledge about them. Let's read about that. Who this role is not for: those who need a structured, preferred job scope, well-prepared theory over executions, anyone looking for a commercial engineering or research positions. Highly intelligent, okay, a strong executive. You have hand-on experience with AI and work with action to understand how to apply them effectively. Okay, adaptable resource. Deep curiosity, I have them. What you're doing, building AI-driven solutions. Multi-domain problem solving, I have. Why join? This is high money, high impact role for someone who genuinely. Okay, let's ask for ChatGPT at first if I can apply for them or not. Let's ask Am I good enough to apply for this job? That's a question you must ask, because I'm junior, I am nothing big. Okay, let's apply for that. I'm going to apply for that. Okay, we have them. My CV is there and everything is okay. Submit applications. We submitted 2 jobs, but I'm going to do it in more order. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an Excel and call it jobs. And with the date, I'm going to put the jobs that I applied for, date and year. Why? Okay, but there is better way for putting day and year and everything, if you know. And you just simply need to change it to date. And after that, if you increase that, it's going to increase in the wrong way, because you choose a short date and it's going to be long date. No, I think I write it wrong. Let's write it again and see if it's work. Okay, it's not working as a date because I've forgotten. I think the date should go like this. Okay, it's nice. You can change it with the long and the short date. It's up to you. Let's go with the long date for now. Let's name it date. And let's name it country, city, and the last one, company. And the date we apply for them and the result we get. Okay, let's start for that. It's nice that the date can run by this, but we don't like them now. We only need to copy that and paste it here and paste it here. Okay, the country is USA, the first one. And the city is New York City. Let's copy the name of companies. Oh, it's not a company, it's a profile. Okay, this is the name of company. And the second one that we applied for, which one is them? I think this is the one that we apply for. This is the one. And let's go for the second one and read another one. Let's take a look at other ones. AR prediction support engineering. Okay, about the job, AR product support engineering. Location remote. We are seeking candidate with hands-on experience. Generative AI project. The ideal professional will have worked on homegrown board solution of generative and AI rather than traditional automations tool. Maintain and provide technical software live AI systems. AI performance usage and drift. Okay, I'm not suitable for that. But let's ask ChatGPT and see, am I good enough for this job? Okay, we are not eligible. It's good. We go to next one. Over 100 applications, you see? These things are getting more and more applications. Am I suitable for this job. Partly suitable. Okay, 9 months. Hands-on. Okay, it's 50-50 and there are many applications, over 100. Let's go to the next. 58 applications here, 2 days ago. Let's take a look. How about this? High performance database system, low latency. I have them, I think. Performance optimizations, currency mobility models, concurrency, GPA compute. No, I'm not good. Let's go to the next. I think this is going to be a good one. How about this? Okay, it's about US and I don't have it. What is the job name? Data engineering. Let's see. How about this? Okay, let's see. You could apply only if you're willing to learn. Okay, we apply for that. What is the worst could happen? Educations. I don't think they have our university. But let's take a look. Why it choose? It didn't give the opportunity to choose the university. Okay, it's going to be hard. Let's discard that. Solution engineering. How about this? Good. Okay, partial mix of technical skills. Okay, it says this is not a good thing for me. Let's go to another one. I think this is going to be match me. Let's ask, how about this? Okay, cloud experience. Let's apply for that. It's not going to hurt. Okay, I put the number so many times. They are so high paying. 4 hours ago and over 100 applications. We find some and I think we maybe have some good things, but the problem here is the money that they are paying is too high for me to accept. But I think in the comments I'm going to answer my applications. I'm going to do that work a lot of time until I get my approval, and until then I'm going to continue on sending my resume and seeing how many days it's going to wait. Okay, until then, have a nice time. See you then.